Welcome to the SchedFAST Appointments page. In this video, we will walk you through how to navigate the Appointments page and interact with its features. The Appointments page provides you with a list of all of the open appointments. These are the appointments that have been scheduled and not closed out. At a glance, you have when the appointment was scheduled, the service date, the service item, who the customer is, and the technician assigned to the appointment. One of the easiest things you can do is use the links within the list to access appointment details as well as customer information and change the technician assigned to the appointment. By clicking the appointment number, you are brought to the work order invoice, where you can view details for the appointment as well as click buttons to perform a variety of options, from editing the appointment to viewing customer information and sending appointment notifications to the customer. Takes you to the customer detail page where you can view details for the customer as well as click the Edit Customer button to edit the details. Last, you can click the technician link to change the technician assigned to the appointment. Simply use the drop-down menu to select a technician name. The technician is updated for the appointment. One of the great features of the appointment list is a color coding indicator of what's happening with your appointments. On this screen, you'll notice 4 colors: white, green, yellow, and red. White are for those appointments that have been scheduled in the future. Green are for appointments that are scheduled for the current day. Yellow are appointments with no service dates. And red are for past due appointments. There's also color coding for the action items you see for each appointment. We'll cover those in a bit. On this page, you have the ability to perform actions for the page itself as well as the actions for each customer. Let's take a closer look at the actions you can perform for the page. The first is the ability to view technician schedules. You can view all technicians scheduled on a certain date or view the schedule for an individual technician. One of the great things about this view is the ability to drag and drop appointments based on scheduling needs. For example, let's say you want to take this midnight appointment and reschedule it for a more reasonable time. All you have to do is click on the appointment and drag it to the new time. Not only can you drag and drop to change the time of an appointment, but you can also use this feature to change the day and time. Simply click the appointment and drag it to the new day and time. As appointments are scheduled and approaching, emails are sent to the customer with the technician name and picture. This way, the customer knows exactly who is coming to their appointment and what day and time they will be there. Next is the ability to add a new appointment. All you have to do is complete the form and add the appointment. Next, you can print any appointments that have not been previously printed. Any already printed appointments will appear with a print icon. You can export the customer list to an Excel spreadsheet. How the list downloads will depend on the internet browser you use. Regardless, on most machines, the file downloads to your Downloads folder on your computer. The next thing you can do is refresh the page. This is helpful when you have multiple people in the system and you want to see if anyone else has added or updated an appointment. Next is the ability to search appointments by service date. Maybe you want to see if there are any appointments scheduled prior to you going on vacation. Simply click the Service Date button and enter your start and end dates. Once selected, click Go. The list updates based on the dates selected. Next is the ability to search for a specific appointment. Simply click Search and enter a search criteria. The more you enter, the narrower your list becomes. You can search by first name, technician, scheduled date, and last, what type of invoice you need: printed, open, today's, and future invoices. Your list updates based on all the criteria you entered. Now, let's take a look at the actions you can perform for each appointment. The first is the ability to edit the appointment. Simply make any edits and click Update Appointment. You also have the ability to process a payment for the appointment. Notice the payment icon displays 2 colors, blue and red. Blue means no money is owed for the invoice at this time. Red means there is a balance on the invoice. To process a payment, simply click the icon. and process a payment. Last is the ability to view credit card details. You'll notice that this icon also has two colors, green and red. The green icon means there is a credit card on file for that customer. Red means there is no credit card on file. To view or add a credit card, simply click the icon and view, edit, or add a credit card. And that makes up the features of the SchedFAST Appointments page. If you have any questions about SchedFAST or would like to schedule a demonstration, please contact us at 1-888-754-1885. You can also try the application free for 30 days. Simply click the free trial button on the website's homepage and get started today. Thanks for viewing our video. When you have a chance, check out some of the other videos we have in the Learning Center. Thank you and have a great day.